You can make longer AI videos. Finally, someone made this tool. So no more 8 seconds, 10 seconds, and then stitching them. This tool lets you make 20-second long AI videos. And by the way, it is free right now. All right, pay close attention because I'm going to show you everything. So go to Google, step number 1, and search for Black Forest Labs Flux 3. Click here. Now go and find the first link. So bfl.ai, that's the URL. You can go straight to that URL too. Here is that URL again. And look at this, Flux 3 just launched new model. It's multimodal, images, videos, audios, action prediction. And read this. It is free this week. So go make like 20-second videos, AI videos for free. I'm going to show you some of the videos that I have made, and also let's log into my dashboard. Here's the dashboard. If you don't have an account, you know what to do. Just make a new account. And then what you want to do on the left-hand side, you want to go to Playground because that's where all the models are. All right, model selection. You can see right here a lot of Flux models, but the top one, Flux 3, this is the one just launched a couple of days ago, and it is free right now. It's not going to stay free, so go generate a lot of videos. So first thing you want to do is add a prompt. I always use another LLM like ChatGPT or sometimes Qwen to write my prompt. If you want to learn more about my process of writing these detailed prompts, let me know. I can share some more thoughts, more videos. So add your prompt here. And then you can also add the media inputs. You can add start image or end frame. You can do that. You can also add video as an input. So you can use text input, image input, and video input. So 3 different input types. All right, next parameter. So aspect ratio 9:16 for vertical videos. Duration. Now this is the magic. We don't want 10 seconds. We can go all the way up to, you can see right here, 20 seconds. So no more using Google Omni and stitching these things together. Resolution could be HD or FHD. You want audio? Yes. Draft. What's in advanced? Generate audio true. Actually, under advanced is the safety tolerance. I don't even know what that means. So let's just skip that. And look at this. Again, it is free until Monday 17. So you have probably like 72 hours. So go crazy on this, make a ton of videos, and then click on generate right here. And now let me show you some of the videos I've been making. And you can see I've been busy with this AI tool. We have this food channel ASMR video. So we made tons of videos using Flux 3. And you're going to love the quality. Let me play this one for you. See how realistic this is? Unbelievable. Honestly, I think Flux 3 is going after Google Omni and C Dance 2.5. This is so much better. Look at how realistic everything looks.